Hello and welcome to another Monty Miracle cleaning video. This video is to show you what you could achieve yourself at home. It's a very simple cleaning process. Just apply, leave 6 to 10 minutes and rinse with a hose pipe. If you have been using a jet wash, you will understand the noise, the mess and the damage you create. No more will you need your jet wash. Monty Miracle Cleaner has a patented formula and can only be purchased from our website montymiracle.co.uk. Here in this video we have an example of what you could achieve on one of many hard outside surfaces Monty Miracle Cleaner will clean. Just to let you know that Monty Miracle is pet and environmentally friendly and also biodegradable. All instructions of how to use our Monty Cleaner would be supplied with every order you would make. Also, it can be found on our website. Natural stone surfaces that are suffering with black spot staining cannot be removed with jet washing. This can be removed with the Monty Miracle Cleaner very effectively. Thank you for watching this short video. If you would like any more information, please visit the montymiracle.co.uk website. All information, other videos you can watch are all there. Well, I'd just like to leave you now with a couple more before and after pictures at the end of this video. I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've been very impressed with the before and after pictures we can show you today, and I'm sure you'll be very impressed with the Monty Cleaning Solution. Thank you so much. Bye bye.